Alright, the last level. Level 30. Force of Nature. Just need the last 2 gems. I don't know why they put lights on trees. It's like Christmas was last year. Come on now. But it does. Well, it is winter after all. Out of the way, lab rat. Well, this looks like a perfect place for skiing. Not while there's boxes and nitro crates around. Well, especially nitro crates. Boxes that blow up once you touch them. Bang! I've been saying that numerous times now. Oh, well, at least I got the gem. At least. That's it. I've got all the gems now. Now just gotta do the relics. And Cortex, I'd be worried if I were you.